So, okay. If you guys were wondering why I am completely absent from my channel and I haven't uploaded anywhere, be it my social media or my actual channel, it's because I had dengue. I got dengue last month and I was like in between being dead and alive. So in that zombie state, I had no energy left in me. I posted one update on my Instagram telling you guys that I have dengue, and that was it. All I did last month was stare at my ceiling while lying down and contemplating what exactly am I going to do. I didn't really do anything fantastic. I was just recovering. It was kind of weird. I've never really been in that position before, that everybody was doing stuff for me. I don't really get sick, and I thought that I could never get like dengue and stuff, but clearly I was wrong. My back had been hurting for about 2 weeks, so I thought maybe I was gonna get my period. But then one fine day, my period didn't come, but what came was like a really bad fever. I had, I think, about 103 fever for a whole day. I took medicines, but nothing happened. Then we went to a doctor, and then that doctor prescribed me medicine, and finally my fever broke, but then it would come back. Second day, after I got that medicine, I started itching everywhere. It was really weird, and it was just like I just felt this continuous urge to itch my skin. I felt like my skin was peeling off. My skin was peeling off from under my eyes, which is such a random place to, like, you know, for your skin to peel off. My skin was peeling off from my scalp. My skin was peeling off from my tummy, my hand. It was so random. After about 2 days, we went to a doctor in like a big hospital. He told me that the first doctor gave me a medicine that was actually illegal. It was a banned medicine. When my test results came in, I did not expect to get a positive for dengue, but I did. After that, all I've been doing is staring at the ceiling, drinking a lot of nimbu pani, trying to walk while, like, you know, holding on to walls and going to the bathroom, going back, lying down. That's it. It's been a whole month of lying down. Actually, it doesn't sound that bad, does it? Now I am back. I just want you guys to tell me what sort of videos you would like to see. If you have any video requests in your mind, or if there's any other video input that you would like to tell me, basically. Did anybody notice that my hair is curly now? This is natural. This is like, I didn't curl my hair, by the way. This is my natural hair, and I've been using this new shampoo and conditioner, and I've been doing this new technique with the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm kind of excited about it. Like, I like it. Although I got a really bad haircut, I'm not gonna lie, and I started to cry. Another video about that later on. That's about it. I'm sorry I got dengue. Couldn't help it. I wasn't the machar. Don't control the machar. I'm not the queen of the machars. That was a bad one. I shouldn't have cracked that joke. I'm sorry. I'm still sick. So look out for new videos. Tell me what you want to see. And that's about it.